Good morning students, Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. And students, from today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 16, a busy month. Means in this we are going to know which of the months are very much busier for the boys and or the other ones. Okay, here one letter is written, that is from Bal Mandir, Bhavnagar, and it was written on 13th April 1936. Means this is the very old story in which what they have written that we are going to see. Dear children, means it is was written to the children, okay, and that is why it is said like dear children, means to whom we are loving them, we want to inform them, we want to say them, we want to give them the information of the new things that we are going to see. Dear parents, it is which o'clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and how at that time there is no cloud in the sky. Means it is a summer season when we can't see any of the clouds in the sky. The sun is very much hot now. That time this person has written the letter that it's 3 o'clock and there are no clouds in the sky. There is no cloud in the sky and the sun is very hot. Okay, the sparrow, then the dove and sunbirds have started working in pairs. Means they made the pairs and they are working. Means what they are making? They are making their nest. They are preparing their nest. Why? Because they have to live now in that nest, so they start preparing their nest. Some of the birds, what they do? Some of the birds have already made their nest. Means some of the birds already are fast, so they made their nest. And why they made their nest? In some of the nest, the eggs have hatched. Means some of the birds give their eggs now, so they hatch their eggs in the nest. So in some of the nest, the eggs have hatched. The parent birds are busy feeding the chicks. Means what they do when from their egg, when the chicks comes now, they are very much busy in feeding their chicks. Chicks means their birds, baby birds. Okay, feeding them with different kind of insect and other things. Means they are very much busy in feeding their chicks by giving them different kinds of insects and other things, so they can survive now. If they are eating properly, then they can survive properly. So because of that, the other birds are feeding their kids. Okay, in our country yard also there is a baby dove. Means who has written the letter that he is saying that in our country yard also there is a baby dove. Means a baby dove is living in their country yard. Okay, there is another egg in the nest, but it has not hatched yet. Means in that nest now the bird has given 2 or 3 of the eggs. Now from that one of the egg hatch, and from that a baby dove has came out, but from the other is not came yet. It is waiting. On the way to Gopal Bhai's house, means from there what they are doing, they are going to the move of Gopal Bhai's house. There are many, what they are having, many stones along the road side. Means when they are going to near the Gopal side house now, they can see that there are many stones along the roadside. Means there are many of the stones along the roadside. In the space between this stone and Indian robin has laid its egg. Means when the robins are found, Indian robins are finding the space now between the stones, they lay their eggs there. Back after that, what happened? Bachchu Bhai showed it to me. Means the Bachchu Bhai named person had showed to me the egg which was laid by that robin, Indian robin. So he showed me where they had laid their egg. I looked through the binoculars, means I was not able to see that properly, the small babies. So I was watching that through the binoculars. Okay, in that what I saw that the nest was made of grass, means that Indian robin's nest was made by the grass, and I can see that from the binoculars. Okay, on top there were soft twigs, roots, wool, hair and cotton wool. Means when they are preparing their nest, now what they are keeping in their nest, with on the beginning they are taking the grass, and on the top of that they are taking soft twigs, then roots, then wool, then hair and cotton wool to make a nice nest for their bird. Okay, this is how the robin makes its nest. Means a robin makes the nest with all these things like grass, then roots, then twigs and wool, then hair and other cotton wool. Okay, what is soft and cozy home for its chick? The robin is not like the crow. Means the robin bird is not like the crow. How? Why? A crow's nest is made of all kind of things, even pieces of wire and wood. Means their nest is little bit hard now for the other birds, as the Indian robin nest is little bit soft, but crow's nest is hard. Why? Because they are using the things like they are using the pieces of wire also, and even the wood also to make their nest. So their nest is little bit hard. I saw a baby bird in the robin's nest. As I have come to know that the crow's nest is little bit hard now, then I look again in the nest of what? A baby bird was in the robin's nest. It was sitting with its beak wide open. Means when they are sitting now, this baby bird, this baby robin, what it has done? It was not sitting in the nest, and what it did his beak was now wide open. The mouth was red from inside, and how it is looking when it is open? It is looking like it is red from inside. It is little while the robin flew to the nest and put something in the chick's open beak. Means when they are feeling hungry, at that time that babies, at that time what happened? The robin come there to the nest, and what they do? They just feed them. They give something to their baby birds and put, sometimes what they do? Sometimes they put something in the chicks open when they are keeping their mouth open only. At that time when their beaks are open, they feed in their open beak. Okay, maybe a few small insects, and I think that what I am thinking, that when that robin's chick has opened his mouth and he had feeded something, what it may be? I think that it may be some few insects together, small insect he might have kept in his baby chick's mouth. By Then it was evening. The robin settled down with its chicks. Means after feeding their chicks, what the birds do, and when the evening time is there, now what they do, they just sit next to their babies and settle down. Okay, the robin settled down with its chick. Now there is a small tree nearby. Means after going from there, seeing that robin signal, I just moved forward and there I saw what? A small tree nearby. It has a nest hanging from its branch. Means about such type of branch. Here I am going to see such type of nest where they were hanging from its branch. Birds were so wonderful, different. Means that these birds were so wonderfully different from the other birds. The crow built its nest high up on a tree. The dove make its nest among the thorns of the cactus plants or the small mehndi hedge. The sparrow can be found in and around our own house. It makes its nest anywhere, on top of a cupboard, behind a mirror, on a ledge. Means all the birds are as different. They are making their house also in different types. Like crow is making their nest on the top of the on the top or on the top of the tree, very high on the tree. Then where the dove are making their nest, the next are making the dove are making their nest on the cactus plants or in the mehndi hedge. And the sparrows are making everywhere, like near to our home house only. They can make their house on the top of the cupboard or behind the mirror or on a ledge. Okay. Now next, dove also made their nest like this. Like other the plants, the dove also make their nest like the other birds. Once, means what they do often, they make nest in old or desert building. Means like as the some of the birds are keeping, like I told you na, the sparrow is making the nest near to our own house. They can make on the top of the cupboard, behind the mirror. So such way that dove is also making the nest, but where they are making in the old or the deserted buildings. मीन्स जो पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स हो जाती है, जिनके पास जगह होती है, वहाँ पे वो अपने नेस्ट बनाते हैं. ओके. The barbet or coppersmith bird can be heard in the summer with its what? Tuck 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 call. Means these birds are keep on calling like this. Barbet or coppersmith are the birds now. What they do, they keep on making their noise like tick tick tick. Okay. It make its nest in a hole in a tree trunk. Means this is a bird. That is who? Coppersmith, or we call it as a barbet. What they are doing? They are making their nest in the hole of the tree trunk. And the tailor bird use its sharp beak to stitch together two leaves. Means how this tailor bird make it nest? It keep on stitching the trees leaves. It keep on joining the leaves to make a nest. Okay. It lays its eggs in the fold of the leaf that it has made. Means when he is joining the two of the leaves together. Now he is laying his egg on that only. Whenever he is laying his eggs, now they are on the leaves only, which were made by him as the nest. Okay, and this is called as their nest. Means when they are joining, when they are stitching the leaves, na, two or more of the leaves, they are making their they are laying their eggs there only. That part is called as their nest. Okay, the sunbird make a nest that hangs from the branch of a small tree or a bush. Means where this sunbird is making his nest, he is making the nest on the hangs from the branch of a small trees. Means where there on the small trees, the branches or a bushy, the branch are hanging, na, they are making their nest on that. The same evening we saw a sunbird's nest. Mean on that bird we have even seen the sunbird nest also. Can you guess what its nest is made of? You know, the bird is very much different, or it is same like the other nest that we are going to see. The nest has hair, then grass, then thin twigs, dry leaves, then cottonwoods, then bits of trees, bark, then pieces of cloth rags, and even spiders, cobwebs. Mean this bird whose name is sunbird, now he is using many of the things near the hang of the branch of a small tree or bushes, where he is taking so many things. You know which are the things? Like he is using hair, then grass, then thin twigs also, then dry leaves, then cottonwoods, then bits of tree bark, then pieces of cloth rags, and even sometimes that the spiders are making that cobweb, na, he is using that also to make his own nest. Okay, when I look through the binocular, na, I could see a chick in the nest. Means that bird is so small now. So he was looking through his binocular, and at that time he can see a very small chick. Chick means a baby bird in the nest. It was sitting near the small opening in the nest. Means how he was able to see? Because he was sitting in the where that nest was small open, and he was looking inside there through the binocular, and there he can see a small chick of the bird in the nest. Okay, it was waiting for its mother to bring some food. And why that bird baby that is chick was looking outside? Because he was waiting for his mother, who was going to bring the food for that baby chick. Okay, what else can it do? Just eat and sleep. And you all know that what these all small birds are going to do when they will have their food, na, they are going to sleep. All birds are so busy these days, and I come to know that as the summer is going on, so all the birds are very much busy. Why they were busy? They were making their nest. Na? Making a nest and laying the egg is only the first step. Means what is the first step? That they were making their nest and laying their eggs is only their first step. Okay, it is a difficult task to raise their young ones in the nest, which has been made with so much efforts. And you know which is the most difficult task for these birds? That is to grow their young ones on that nest only, which was made by them, and it has taken lots of efforts now to make a nest to see the young one, and it is one of the most difficult tasks for the birds. Okay. Birds have many enemies also, human being and other animals also. Means birds have many of the enemies. One of the animals are human beings and the other are the other animals who are eating their eggs now. So they are the enemies and they all have to survive their baby chicks from these enemies. Okay. Crows and squirrels, cats and rats, all of them wait for a chance to steal the eggs. Means like the crows, then squirrels, then cats and rats. All of them, what they all are doing, they are just waiting for the chance to get the chance to, so that they can take that egg, they can steal that eggs. Okay. Many times they even break the nest, and while taking the eggs from the nest, now what these animals do, many of the times they break even their nest also. To keep oneself safe from danger, to find food, make a nest, hatch the eggs, and raise the chicks safely. All these are tests for every bird. Means all the birds have lots of tests now. Like they have to save their child from the danger, to find the food, they have to make the nest, and they have to hatch their eggs also, and to raise their young chicks safely. So all these are what? These all are the efforts that each bird have to do. However, the birds still sing with joy and spread their wings and fly freely. So even after doing this lot of efforts and hard work, what these birds are doing, they are living very happily. However, how they are singing with lot of joy and spread their wings and fly freely. And so how we have to do, what we have to do, how we have to behave, we also have to behave and take care of the birds. Okay. So there is all for now. What he said now this is all for now. I was knowing half of the information, whatever information I was knowing of the birds I had given to you. That is salam, blessing from your Jiju Bhai, and he is also saying that I am going to give you the blessings from your Jiju Bhai. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter beta. So what you all are going to do today, you are also going to see the pics of the birds, you are going to read this story and try to understand the story. Okay beta, so bye and take care.